Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. For the month of April, we are offering 20% off Bilstein and Supersprint products. And to celebrate that, we've gone back to our archives and we're going to re-release a very popular video, which was on an E46 M3 in Laguna Seca Blue, which had Bilstein B16s and a full Supersprint exhaust. Head over to the website to get your savings. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please remember to subscribe to the channel and turn your notifications on. If you want to join the conversation, please drop us a comment below and we will do our best to respond to you. And if you're running out of things to watch, why don't you watch one of these two?